Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable auto updates on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, we have the library, the community, and your profile. In the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have your store, new and noteworthy, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable auto updates on Steam. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So disabling auto updates on Steam can help you save bandwidth and manage updates at your convenience. Launch the Steam client on your computer and click on the library tab to see your game list. So it is in the top side of the screen, as you can see, store and then library. Then find the game for which you want to disable auto updates. Right click on it and select properties. After that, in the properties menu, click on updates tab. Then in the automatic update section, select only updates. Update this game when I launch it from the drop down menu. Close the properties window to save your changes, and that's basically it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.